got that G, got my nullos. I'm just saying. We pull up to the scene, they be filled with jealousy. If a bitch get
stop
finicky, she gon' bring the energy. I hit a phone with a
3, 2, 1, action.
The journey starts today. So hello, I'm Saudi and I'm back for another video, and I hope you guys are having a good time. Welcome to my channel. Honey, I got a video for you guys today, and I just want to say thank you guys so much for all your patience with me and understanding, because guys, you guys know I'm an empath, and this world we live in, honey, is a fucking mess right now. So it's like I can't help everyone in the world, and since I cannot do that, it makes me feel bad, and sometimes it really affects my mental state, because it's like I feel helpless, you know, and I'm like, oh my god, I wish I have the opportunity and the, you know, the means to help. So it drives me nuts. I have to be honest with you guys, especially with the hate crime and all that. Oh my god.
Anyway, I'm stopping bags like the TSA.
What's up, everybody? I'm thirsty.
Listen up, you little bitches, it's a PSA.
Fire with these people. That's why some stuff that I notice I've become desensitized to stuff that don't matter, but I'm sensitive to stuff that matters, because we live in a world where people are now desensitized to stuff that matters and then sensitive to stuff that don't fucking matter, and I don't know why, but it is what it is. So I'm like, oh no honey, I'm not following you. Nope. There is no fucking way I can have such mentality. It will never happen. Don't expect that from me. I know me very well. It's not gonna happen. But let's get into this video. So today, you guys have seen the title of this video. What does it say? The stock market has been red, honey. It has been so red. It's not even fucking funny. It's like, oh my, yeah, the stock market. My lips with the summer coming around, my lips tends to dry up quickly, which is not fun. Thank God for Fenty Beauty. So shout out to Fenty Beauty, honey. Rihanna, you did your thing with this stuff. It works so well for me, and I don't have to buy a million lip balms any longer. Just one of this, easy to take wherever I want. So let's get back into this video. I'm talking about the stock market. So for many of you guys, you know, if many of you guys have watched me for a while now, you know that I am in the stock market. I am an investor. I have two portfolios in the stock market: a big portfolio, a small portfolio, and a mini portfolio. And wait now, hold on, webull, Cash App, Robinhood. Okay, 3 portfolios. Scratch that, 4 portfolios, acorns. Oh my god, I forgot that. Oh, okay. So if many of you guys don't know, I am deep in the stock market, and I just want to say this. I've noticed that you guys, your favorites when it comes to the stock market, I'm not talking about how the stock market has been so far, but in this video I want you guys to know that since February 14 or February 17, ever since we had the new administration, the stock market has been a bloodbath. It has been, oh, a lot of people, when I go on there, people are like, oh my god, my portfolio dropped like 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 80,000, 100,000, 120,000. Like, people's portfolio have dropped, and then some of them are like, oh, you know what, I am no longer investing. I'll have to wait until the market recovers before I can start investing again. And I'm like, no honey, that's why I am here. Oh, this stuff is now tracking. Ah, okay, that's so nice. My stuff is now full. Okay, thank you. It's now full. Okay, that's so cute. Okay, so what was I saying? Yeah, the stock market has been a bloodbath. So people are like, oh no, you know, I would stay away until the market recovers before I will go back and start investing like I used to. And I told them, I was like, wait, hold on now. If you bought a stock when it was, let me say, $20, and that stock price now is now like $5, you would wait until it goes back to 20 before you start investing? Are you stupid? And I'm like, no honey, this is the best time to start investing even more, because guys, if you're a new investor and you've been thinking about investing, honey, now honey, you guys are seeing the pictures, right? That's my portfolio so far. how much it has dropped. And people are like, are you still investing? I'm like, yeah. They're like, why? I'm like, I'm doing what is called averaging down. This is the best time to average down, so that way you have a better cost price. So when the market recovers, because everything that goes up surely comes down, but no one tells you that everything that comes down does not stay down forever, honey. They're gonna go up, and when they go up, I want to be sitting pretty and looking sexy, feeling it. Like, I would rather invest the amount of money I will use to buy a Tesla than buy a fucking Tesla. I would rather have Tesla stocks than buy a fucking Tesla car. I'm sorry, but that's the mentality I have. I would rather than splurging, like have like me, if I have 50,000, just spend it and look, looking fly and looking sick. Honey, I'd rather take a public transportation and invest all that 50,000 in a crypto mining company, or invest it in dividends, so I'll be getting paid monthly, making money in my sleep, rather than clocking in and clocking out 9 to 5 for the rest of my life. Having a 9 to 5, there's nothing against it. I've heard people say, oh my god, I can't have a 9 to 5. Honey, I got 9 to 5. Like, I have done the 9 to 5. I have done the McDonald's, the Dunkin' Donuts, clean people's house, clean people's poops. Like, I have done it all. I have done work in the farm, take the products, go to the market, put it on my head, hawk it and sell. I have also worked in construction. Yes, I've done it all. But guess what? That was a means to a means, not a means to an end, okay? So if for people that are always looking down at people doing a 9 to 5, they may be doing a 9 to 5 today, but I'm not sure. They may not do it forever, and even if they do it forever, it's their prerogative, it's their choice. Please stop going saying, oh my god, you're doing a 9 to 5. Oh no, that means you don't know what you can do better for yourself. No, you can. A 9 to 5 can be a means to a means, or a means to an end. You get that? A means to a means, or a means to an end. In order for me to have my own business today and have all my investment portfolios, I did it how? By saving from my 9 to 5, and then guess what? I started my own business, paid in full, not on credit, but paid in full. And as we speak, it's been 4 years being a self-employed. Not self-employed as in YouTube content creator, or there are some people, they just sell a biscuit and they're like, I'm self-employed. No. I have a registered salon business, like a registered. I pay taxes on my, like a bona fide business that is registered. There's a difference. I was able to put my siblings through college. Now, that I will call it being self-employed, okay? So yeah, in order to do that, I had to start from being a 9 to 5, so people stopped doing that. So now let's continue what I was saying. When it comes to the investments, this is the best time. If you've been scared of investing, now is the best time. Look at the pictures. Look at the pictures I'm showing. This is my portfolio right now. So if you start investing right now, you're getting these stocks at better prices. I have already done my due diligence on these different stocks you're seeing. I have already done the due diligence. So if you invest in them, you're not like, oh, I'm investing in a trashy company. No, you're investing in a shade, like in the shade, like that will kill the game in the near future or anytime soon. They will blow back up because of how innovative they are. It's just that with this administration, the market has been a fucking mess. That's why this portfolio looks like this. But if all my stocks recovers, whew, that's all I'm gonna say. So I would rather invest 50,000 in a dividend stock so I can be making a monthly income than to go buy a Louis Vuitton bag or buy a car or no, honey, my mentality, the way I think, it has changed because, like I said, on YouTube, if they cancel you, they don't cancel you like you're not, like they cancel you, honey. So looking at that, I was like, yeah, the bloodbath in the investment stock market right now is the best time to invest. When people are scared of the stock market, that is the best time for you to go in, because when people start flocking, that's the first time you should run. Warren Buffett even said that when people are running towards something, honey, run the other way. But when people are running away from something, run towards it. And what I've been doing is that on a weekly basis, I have been investing. When I go to the salon, I work. Then, you know, get my other stuff, work. Invest. Guys, what I'm doing is called averaging down. My average cost from where they were has been going down. Before, these prices were the buy-in prices, and it was fine because then I was getting it lower than what it actually was. But with this stock market correction and this all that is going on, it has gone down even more. So am I sad about it that the market is red? Yeah. Am I not sad about it? Yes, I am happy. Like, I'm happy that I'll be getting my stocks at an even lower rate, lower cost in price, because I know that when the market recovers, I'm getting that profit. And if I had a stock before and it was $20 and now it's like $12, I'm buying now, because guess what? When it goes back to 20, that is an $8 profit right there. It is huge, honey, and it will bring my $20 cost price down to like a $13. You see what I'm saying? Guys, it's the math for me. I love when something makes me think, makes me plan, makes me stretch the dollar. I'd rather stay home, cook, save money to invest in dividends than go out, party, and waste that money.
I mean, I'm not a, but I'm a.
And you know, like, oh, it's fun, and then I'm like, wow, I just spent $500 on what? Clubbing out, and I'm like, oh my god, if I had put it in this stock, dividends, I would have been getting this every month. You see, I'm thinking about the future, honey. We live in a world where pandemic COVID has shown me that, honey, it can just, the world can just shut down again just like that. So I'm always planning about, if that happens, do I want to go find a job? No. Do I want to struggle and wait for people to come for a service? No. So please, guys, if you're a new investor, invest now. If you're an old investor and you're upset with the market and you're like, oh no, in fact, I'm not doing any stuff, especially your favorites, they won't tell you that, like I said earlier, everything that goes up must come down, but also everything that comes down does not stay down forever. I call it a sleeping lion or a sleeping dragon, because when they go back up, honey, you'll be like, yes, this is what I've been waiting for. Because when they go back up, they don't wait like this, they go pew, you know, because they're going back to attain their throne where they are meant to be. So guys, yes, the stock market has been red. It's been crazy. It's been shitty to some people. Some people are so sad and depressed. Some people are like, oh no, it looks like you were pursuing these stocks. I'm like, no, I invested in these stocks last year. I could not tell that the prices would be this year. Like, hello, no one sees the future. So you can bash me, fine. I'd rather be in the market than time the market. There is a difference between being in the market and timing the market. But from me, you can learn to start investing now, and you'll be so happy that you did. Yes, the market has been red, so when you see the videos lately, you don't see the stock market videos appearing on your screen or your recommendations like they used to. Is because the market has been down. People are now doing options and puts, and some people's puts are selling out. Pew pew pew. Printing outputs, we call it printing outputs. People are so pissed, like, oh my god, I just lost money. My put has been printed. I'm like, yeah, hello. Like, the market may be like this, and it just go, bah! So people who have what we call stop loss, it just prints them out. I'll be like, I'm sorry, like, I don't want to laugh, but you know when something is meant to make you upset, but you just start laughing because why crush down because of, honey, your life? And that's the thing, COVID has changed me. Like before, you know, but COVID has, I lost a friend to COVID, so my priorities has changed. Like, I'm sorry, like my priorities, the way I think has changed, my perception has really changed, and I cannot help it. If you did not change from COVID, like you didn't evolve, you didn't improve in any way, shape or form, or become more empathetic or sympathetic, honey, what were you doing more than a year? Like, where have you been? Like, hello, a part of us has changed, like, and we can't help it. It's just the truth. Like, we now have a new kind of normal. We now know that having one job, a 9 to 5, just one job, I ain't cutting it, I ain't shit. So This is the best time to start investing. That is my advice to you guys. I've been investing since November, and I must say, I'd rather invest than put my money in a bank account somewhere.
Damn, we made it so far.
Like, how do you do that? Like,
And that just set the mood.
Ooh.
I said me too.
I'm sorry, that ain't shit. That will not do nothing for you. I'll tell you this. I'd rather you invest your money in the stock market, in safe stocks that you feel that is safe for you, or some of these stocks that I have, or dividend investing than just keep it in a savings account. What is going on is that your money is losing value. I didn't know about this until Brian Thompson, talked about it, and oh, it makes a lot of sense. Yes, Bitcoin used to be $11,000 as of October, November. Today, Bitcoin is 60,000. 60 fucking thousand. Did you see the value and growth between November and April? Hello? If you put your money in the bank, will that ever happen? So that's what I'm saying. I invested in Bitcoin, LTC, Dogecoin, yeah, honey, SOS, CleanSpark, DPW, Mara. Like, honey, I have over 70 positions in stocks. But people are like, oh my god, that is horrible, that is too much. Honey, you all do you. The naysayers, you can do you. I'm just here to tell you, this is how I do my own planning. And why do I do that? Because I believe that I would rather have 70 strong soldiers in the stock market than have 10 or 5 lieutenants. Ain't no fucking way, because if one lieutenant falls, it will just fall down to the bottom of the pit, not even the ground, the bottom of the pit. But when you have 70 soldiers, when it falls, the others would support it. You see what I'm saying? So yeah, that's how I think. I'm sorry. I was raised by a single mom who taught me to take care of my siblings. With that, how do you stretch the dollar to feed everyone, not feed yourself, then the others rot away? Honey, when you fall down, you're gonna fall from grace to the bottom, honey. You don't want that. So yes, learn from what I'm saying. Hopefully this helps you out. Please go out there and invest like a motherfucker. I'm sorry. Invest like there's no tomorrow, because you just never know when the market will recover, and you'll be happy that you were in the market and you were not timing the market. There is a difference. Okay? Yes, so if you're not hearing from your favorite talking about, oh my god, get this stock, this stock, rather than talking about puts and margins and stuff like that, it's because the stock market, since February 17, the stock market has just been, I would say like a Titanic, honey, but it has just been, whoo. Okay, so what I've been doing every week, I have been investing every week on a weekly basis. I'm investing, putting, and I'm seeing my cost average going down, bringing it down, and I'm like, okay, so I'm hoping that someday when the market recovers, we're gonna be body. That's what I want for each and every one of you guys. Okay, so please go out there. The market is red right now, and it sucks for some people. It sucks, but the stock market has also taught us how to be patient with a Y. P-A-Y-T-I-E-N-C-E, not P-A-T-I-E-N-C-E. No, you guys know the stock market has a different way of spelling out patience. Okay, so I love you all so much, and I cannot wait to see you guys soon in the next video. My top picks right now that I'm investing in is ORC and SOS and PSEC. Two of them are dividend stocks, so I've been upping up my game when it comes to my dividends. I'm invested in Lumen Technologies, Orchids, PSEC, and Pfizer. Pfizer pays dividends too, yeah. Okay, I cannot wait to see you guys soon in the next video, but yes, my goal is to have up to 1,000 shares of SOS. It's a Bitcoin mining type of company, and I'm here for it, honey, because when they recover like a motherfucker. I'll see you all soon, okay? Until next time, bye guys. See, I'm giving you guys videos that have value, info, people, information. It is what it is. I'm so stupid, but I'm a smart kind of stupid. There is smart stupid and then there's stupid stupid. It is.
Cause I'm loving myself real good.
Did you guys hear that? I'm scared.
In a way that you know.